Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about is PlayStation wholesale store legit from United States. Let's see whether this is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Here you have mainly the gaming products, like you can purchase PS5, PS4, PSVR, so many products you can shop related to the gaming. And you can see the PS console, wireless controller, wireless headset, media remote, HD camera, everything comes under this. You can check all those products with the reasonable price in their official website. Let's go to the payment option. So they receive payment by Visa, MasterCard, Discover, etc. Let's go to the shipping policy. So they do free same day shipping. Let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 17th October 2020 and expires on 17th October 2021. That means it is registered for a short period of time and it is recently registered website. Let's go to the About Us page. So here in About Us page you can find few information regarding the website, but you don't get any identity of this website, who is the founder and all. So that is one negative point about this website. Let's go to the contact address. So here you can see the contact address along with the email ID and phone number. Email ID as PlayStation Wholesale Store at gmail.com. So let's go to the social media presence. So it is available on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. But I don't see much visitors to this website in social media, as it is not very active on social media. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So they accept return within 14 days from the purchase. To request a refund, they will do the refund to the original payment method where possible. So let's go to the customer reviews. So customer review page is not updated in the website. If you Google it, I see there are very few reviews. There is no rating given to this website yet. So that is one negative point about this website. So the content detailing is quite fine. There is no spelling errors, but the product are not well specified. I can see the duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can say this website is a possibly a suspicious website because I can see there are few negative points, but I advise you to check all the points of from this website before purchasing any product. So guys, do your research effectively before investing money on this website. So you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.